Yo guys, yo traders, yo Ruffians, it's the Rough Trader here. What's GD and how is your weekend going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, family. So this is another episode of the Forex Market Outlook, and we'll be looking at XAUUSD, that's gold, GBPUSD, and GBPJPY. Don't forget to hit on the like and subscribe button, family. So let's go to the charts. What's happening? So this was the previous high on GBPUSD, the one we're looking at this. We looked at this last week on the Forex Outlook last week, and price respected our analysis. I'm sure you guys made money from GBPUSD. So now we have a new high on the 4-hour time frame. This is the new high on the 4-hour time frame. So we are going to mark this out. As you all know, I will mark my zones. So this is the new high here. This was the previous high we had on the 4-hour. This is the new high here. So let's mark our low too. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, so we've marked the high and the low here. So let's just complement this one with a rectangle. So let's pay attention to what's happening. What trend is this? So we can just switch to the line chart. If you remember the way I did it, we switch to the line chart. So we have a trend here. Oh, price even broke out from the trend. Wow, this setup looks nice. It looks nice. Okay, let's see what's happening. Let's go to the candlestick back to adjust this. Okay, good. Price broke out, but it's still trying to break. It's still trying to break out from the trend. From the trend line, I mean. So, okay, yes. What can we mark again? Okay, I think we can mark this out. So not necessary, but let's just mark it out. Oh, that is a smooth one on GBPUSD. Okay, so let's pay attention to what's happening. Yeah, so let's pay attention to this area. Yeah, let me just balance this. Okay, presently price is approaching a low. We price break this low? That's the question. We can even mark out an inner trend, yeah. Okay, we profited from that last week. I'm going to drop my Telegram channel on the comment section so you guys can join for free signals in the Forex market. Okay, so we are waiting for price to break this low. Yeah, we'll just wait for price to break this low for us to take a sell downward, something like this. A break, retest, and a continuation downward on GBPUSD. So that would be a very smooth one. And I can also see, okay, price got rejected. This was a trigger. This was an NFP trigger. This was triggered by NFP. This price movement was triggered by NFP. I was actually waiting for price to come to a psychological key level. I thought NFP was going to come out with a spike up to a psychological key level of 1.26 thousand. But price couldn't come there. It was so bad. I was expecting price to make a spike upward to this place and just come down, but price gave another thing. So I didn't enter the market. It's better to stay out of the market than just making L's. Market. So I was just expecting market to react to it, but market couldn't react to it. So I'll just wait patiently for price to break below here, make a retest and a continuation downward. Or I'll just go down to the 15 minutes time frame, or let's see what's happening on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame. So price could just possibly come down here, then go up and start falling. You understand? We'll just react to what we see. Like I said, we usually react. For Forex traders, we react to what we see. We don't predict. So we'll just wait for price to either break below here, come for a retest and a continuation, or price comes back here and goes back here for a retest and starts coming downward. That would be a very nice one. And if price can react to that, this might also serve as a false breakout and start going up again. So we react to what we see. Let me go back to the 4-hour time frame. We react to what we see in the Forex. We react to what we see on GBPUSD. And this would be a very nice one for a sell. And if you even look at it, it's forming something like a bearish flag. Look at it from this perspective. Can you see the impulse? This is the flag, and to start coming down. But like I said, we react to what we see. So let's go to gold, XAUUSD. What are we seeing on gold? Okay. Okay, let's just make this high gold created. I took a buy from gold. I took a buy from. I'll make another video. I'll make another video on reviews for you. I dropped this signal on my Telegram channel on gold. I took a buy. It hit me out, so I had to take another re-entry. I took a buy to this position before NFP made a bearish reversal on gold last week, Friday, yes. So that's not what we're talking about today. We're just here for an insight. Okay. So this is the high gold created. Gold obeyed the structure here. Can you see? So I don't know if we are going to expect more sales on gold. So we'll kindly react to what we see. So let's mark out this trend. Okay. Okay, I'm marking out that. What can we mark out again? Okay. Let me adjust. Okay, we have the first touch here on the trend line. We have another touch here. This trend line before we got the third touch in the trend line on gold. So what could possibly happen on gold? Let's see what's possibly happen. Okay, I can see something like a rally-based rally here, like a demand zone. Okay. So we can just mark that out. So, oh, that's fresh. That's a base, a demand base on gold on the 4-hour time frame. Smooth. So what could possibly happen? We go to react to this demand zone here. Is gold going to push up, then break, retest, and the continuation? Okay, we'll just react to what we see. But this setup looks nice. That's a demand zone here. We call it the rally-based rally, something like this. Rally, the base, and the rally. So price can just come back and enter this demand zone and start buying. We don't know. We react to what we see, but that's a very, very sensitive zone on gold on the 4-hour time frame. It's a very, very sensitive zone on gold. Let me adjust my trend line. So like I said, we react to what we see. Let me see what's happening on the 1-hour time frame. Gold, okay. So we'll wait to see if gold is going to react to this demand zone here, come up and start selling. There's even an order block here again. Look at the order block here. So if gold is going to push up, retest, and a continuation downward, that will be a very, very nice sell for us on gold, to be a very, very nice sell. So we have a demand zone here. If gold is going to react to it, whether it's going to come up here and start selling, we don't know, and break below, retest, then a continuation downward. That would be a very, very, very nice position on gold. So that's what I'm looking at on gold. So let's go to GBPJPY. I also got stopped down from GBPJPY last week. Okay. presently price got rejected on this level. And I also have a psychological key level there, 164. You know, psychological key levels are also important levels in the Forex market. Okay. Okay. Let's mark out this point here. Let's see how we can mark out our trends. Okay. Okay, there's something I'm seeing. Oh, can you guys see? Something, it got rejected on the high, and not just the high, psychological key level to form a confluence with the psychological key level, and also got rejected on our trend line. Is GBPJPY going to sell next week? Okay, let's see. Okay. So we'll just wait patiently for price to break below, come for a retest and a continuation downward on GBPJPY. GBPJPY setup looks nice. Looks nice. Nice setup on GBPJPY. Let me just complement it with a rectangle here. So either wait for a push above before it breaks out, or we'll just wait for price to break out, retest, and the continuation downward. Let's see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. If we can get our spots clearly on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me adjust the trend line. Okay. So if we are going to get something like a breakout, retest, and continuation downward on GBPJPY, so we're going to take this place because that's a low. You change it to your line chart, you see very well. There's a bullish impulse here. Can you see? Even though it's little. So we'll wait if GBPJPY is going to break below, retest, and a continuation downward, or if it is going to go back up a little, make maybe a possible double top formation, come back for a retest and a continuation downwards on GBPJPY. So that's that on this week's Forex outlook. So we are looking at gold, XAUUSD, GBPJPY, and GBPUSD. This is what we are looking at on gold, GBPUSD, and GBPJPY. So we react to what we see. It might break below and start selling, and we can still get a break above and start buying. So we just react to what we see. We don't say this is what is going to happen. We just react to what we see. Thank you, guys. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and drop your thoughts below on the comment section or in the comment section. Thank you, guys. Stay off, family.